Katsina youths came out en mass to take part in the End Bad Governance protest that has taken over the country of recent. So many northern youths, unlike the NSAS protest in 2020, came out en masse in most northern states to take part in this protest. There have been cases in Gombe, there have been cases in Kaduna, there have been cases in Kano, there have been cases in Katsina, there have been cases in Jos, Plateau State. And people have come out to explain that they are sick and tired of the way Nigeria is heading to. Ever since the present government entered into power, they increased the price of fuel, they increased the price of virtually everything, and people, which has affected the price of commodities. To buy the basic needs of basic foodstuff and basic amenities that people, down to electricity, is now expensive. So people are protesting and want for a better government, despite the hardship that the citizens are facing. The government, they are spending 200 million naira each on luxury cars, luxury SUVs for the Senate and House of Rep members. They have spent so much money on the presidential yacht and renovating or building a new residence for the vice president, among so many others. So not only do they want the government to bring back the fuel subsidy, which has affected virtually almost everything, they also want a situation that government reduces their spending on themselves, on things that does not affect the masses. Why would you be spending billions on a few people when the masses, the general public, which are being taxed, which their taxpayers' money are being used to support the lifestyle of the government officials, are living abject poverty? So thank you, and please subscribe to Igbo Heritage TV for more updates.